In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop payroll notifications on QuickBooks 2026 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where these alerts live and how to turn them off confidently, so your inbox and in-product notifications stay focused on what matters most. First, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks account with a role that can change company settings. If you manage payroll, you likely have the right access. This process controls the notifications related specifically to payroll, like reminders and tax updates, and you can come back at any time to reverse the changes. Once you're in QuickBooks, head to the top right of your screen and click the gear icon. This opens the main settings hub. From there, choose Account and Settings. Think of this area as the control center for your company preferences, billing, and notifications. Inside Account and Settings, look along the left side for the Notifications tab and click it. This tab groups all the alerts QuickBooks can send. You'll see different categories here, but we're focusing on payroll. Scroll until you reach the payroll section. This is where QuickBooks controls reminders and updates specifically tied to running payroll and handling payroll taxes. In the payroll section, you'll see options for payroll reminders, tax payment alerts, and filing confirmations. Uncheck each of these to stop receiving them. Here's a quick snapshot of what you're turning off. Payroll reminders are those nudges to run payroll on time. Tax payment alerts flag when payroll tax payments are coming due, and filing confirmations notify you after QuickBooks files payroll forms. If you prefer to track these tasks in a separate calendar or workflow, disabling them can really reduce noise. After you've unchecked the items you don't want, click Save to apply your changes and then select Done to close out. That's it. Your payroll notifications are now off. If you still receive any messages, give it a little time to propagate and double check that you made changes in the correct company file if you manage more than one. A few helpful tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the notifications tab or the payroll section, your role may not have access or your product view might look a bit different. Sign out and back in or check with your admin. Also, consider keeping a backup reminder system for payroll deadlines, since turning off alerts means you'll rely on your own calendar or task manager. And remember, you can always revisit Account and Settings, return to notifications, and re-enable any payroll alerts you find helpful. Thanks for watching, and great job taking control of your QuickBooks notifications.